If you're looking to automate marketing campaigns for client engagement, SuiteDash is one of the platforms that promises to do it all. But does it really stack up? In this quick explainer, we'll dive into how you can use SuiteDash for marketing automation and see if it's truly the right fit for your business goals. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal an exclusive offer, plus an alternative that may be a better match for your needs. The first thing to know about SuiteDash is its all-in-one approach. The platform combines client management, CRM, and marketing automation tools. It lets you design personalized marketing campaigns, segment your audience, and create workflows to engage with clients at the right time, all from one platform. This is great if you're looking for a solution that integrates all aspects of client engagement into a single dashboard. Next thing, SuiteDash offers email automation, which is a big plus. You can set up drip campaigns, send personalized follow-ups, and track engagement, all automatically. But here's the catch: while SuiteDash does offer a lot of customization, it might not be as flexible as some specialized email marketing tools. If you're looking for detailed analytics and more control over your email designs, this may feel a bit limiting. The third thing is the platform's client portal. SuiteDash allows you to set up a client portal that's branded with your logo, making it look like a personalized experience. This is perfect for creating a more professional interaction with your clients. However, the portal's functionality can be a bit clunky at times, especially if you're used to more polished tools like Client Success or HubSpot, which offer smoother experiences and integrations with other marketing software. Now, let's talk about SuiteDash's marketing automation workflows. This is where the platform shines. You can automate everything from onboarding new clients to sending out newsletters and reminders for upcoming meetings. The workflows can be highly customized, which makes it easier to automate repetitive tasks. However, the learning curve can be steep. It's not the most intuitive platform if you're just starting out with automation. Another key feature is the reporting and analytics SuiteDash provides. You can track everything from email open rates to task completion, which helps you gauge how well your campaigns are performing. But while the analytics are solid, they aren't as advanced or as detailed as other tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. If you're serious about data-driven marketing, you may need to look elsewhere for deeper insights. The last thing to consider is the price. SuiteDash offers a solid range of features, but it can get pretty expensive as you scale up. If you're a small business or just starting out, there are alternatives that provide better value without compromising on essential features. So, here's the thing. While SuiteDash is great for marketing automation and client engagement, there are alternatives out there that might work better for your specific needs. One platform that comes to mind is Alternative Name, which offers a better experience for email marketing automation and has a more user-friendly interface. Before you make your decision, I want to mention that we've secured an exclusive offer for our viewers, a longer, extended free trial for SuiteDash through our link in the description. Plus, we've included the best alternatives with their own free trials, so you can explore all your options. If you're looking to automate your marketing campaigns for client engagement, don't settle for anything less than the best, whether that's SuiteDash or an alternative better suited to your needs. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get started with an exclusive trial today.